Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of OI and change in OI. We will also check out PCR, Max Pen and as well as the trend cycle of both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price. Here is the closing price of Bank Nifty around 22,398.45 as on 10th July, and we are talking about 16th July expiry. Now we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. The trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. So first we will find out the highest call for finding highest resistance. For that purpose we will go through this column, and here we can see around 7,88,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strikes. So this is going to be the highest resistance, followed by here 6,18,000 contracts are open at 24,000 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty as far as the resistance is concerned. Now if we check this can be acted as the immediate resistance, as we can see here. Very good amount of change in Y over here, and also very good amount of change in Y also here. So these are going to be the immediate resistance as far as the change in Y is concerned. Now time to find out the highest put. For that purpose we will go through this column, and here we can see around 4,84,000 contracts are open at 22,000 strikes. So this is going to be the important support or highest support for the Bank Nifty, followed by here 4,43,000 contracts are open here. So this is going to be the highest second highest support for it. Now here we can see around significant amount of Y change here, significant amount of Y change. So this can be the important level for Bank Nifty as far as the change in Y concern. Now I will talk about the trading range. Then 21,500 to 23,000 is going to be the trading range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 22,500, because here 3 lakh contracts and also here 3 lakh contracts are open. So this is going to be the pivot level. Above this Bank Nifty will try to go towards 23,000. Below this Bank Nifty will try to go towards 22,000, 21,500. So this is going to be the pivot level, make or break level for the Bank Nifty. And if we talk about net change, this indicates these all are red, indicates the call writers are over there, and this indicates the put buyers are over there. So this is simple and clear indication that Bank Nifty is bearish. So on OI Bank Nifty seems bearish. We will also check out Max Pen and PCR and trend cycle of Bank Nifty. Before that we will move towards Nifty and check out where is the closing of it. Here we can see around 10,768.0.5 is the closing of Nifty as on 10th July, and we are talking about 16th July expiry. Now we will find out the trading range, highest call and highest put. For finding highest call, where we can see 25,000 contracts are open over here at 11,000, followed by 23 lakh contracts are over here at 10,800, 25 lakh contracts at 11,000 strike, and 23,000 contracts at 10,800 strike. So this is going to be the highest resistance. This is second highest resistance, and this also can act as the resistance. So we can see these levels are levels of resistance for the Nifty. And now if we talk about the highest put, here we can see the highest put is here 22 lakh contracts at 10,000 strikes. So this is going to be the highest support, followed by here 18 lakh contracts at 10,700 and 18 lakh contracts at 10,600. These are going to be the second highest and immediate support for the Bank Nifty as far as Y is concerned. Now if we see the change in Y, then this is, and this strike and this strike can be 10,600 and 10,500 can be an important level as far as the change in Y is concerned in put side. So these are the important level over there. Now if we talk about the pivot level, then 10,800 can be the pivot level and above this Nifty will try to go towards 10,900 and 11,000. Below this Bank Nifty will try to go towards 10,007 and 600. So this is the pivot level, make or break level. And if we see this one, this indicates the call writers are over there, this indicates the put writers are over there, this indicates the put buyers are also over there. So this is a simple indication that Nifty seems range bound to bearish, whereas Bank Nifty seems bearish. Nifty seems range bound to bearish on Y as far as Y is concerned. Now we will check out PCR max span and the trend cycle for it. Here we can see the max span has been decreased for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So bearish on max span, little improvement on PCR. Now if we see the trend cycle, then short has been generated, which also indicates the bearishness. And if we see the wicks, little surge on wicks, and however the wicks is cooling from last few days, this is simple indication that market is going to towards the stable range. So this is all on data, trend cycle, Bank Nifty and Nifty, Nifty max span and PCR. This is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. On the Y and data, other data, it seems range bound to bearish. So this is all about. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much for